Work. When a force F is applied on a body, it is displaced by a distance d. Then the work is said to be done. The formula is work done is equal to Fs cos theta. When theta is equal to 0 degree, work done is positive. When theta is equal to 90 degree, work done is 0. When theta is equal to 180 degree, work done is negative. Unit, SI unit. SI unit of work is joule. CGS unit. CGS unit. CGS unit of work is urge. The relation between joule and urge is 1 joule is equal to 10 to the power 7 urge. This is work. Now power. When a body is falling freely under gravity, work done is mgh. When body thrown upward, work done is minus mgh because it is acting against gravity. Now rate of doing work is power. Okay, power. So power is equal to work done by time. Also power equal to force into velocity. SI unit of power is joule per second, that is watt. CGS unit of power is urge per second, and the relation between these two is 1 watt is equal to 10 to the power 7 urge per second. Capacity to do work. Capacity to do work is energy. Energy obeys law of conservation of energy. Law of conservation of energy. That energy can neither be created nor be destroyed. It is capable of interconversion. Capable of interconversion. Law of conservation of energy, that is total energy is equal to constant. Total energy is equal to constant. That is potential energy plus kinetic energy is equal to constant. Now the forms of energy. The main form of energy is electric energy. Electric energy. Now see very carefully. Electric energy. Electrical to mechanical. Electrical energy to mechanical energy, it is motor. Mechanical energy to electrical energy, that is generator, dynamo. Electric energy to light energy, this is electric bulb. Electric bulb. Light energy to electric energy, photoelectric effect. Photoelectric effect. Electric energy to chemical energy, charging of batteries. Charging of batteries. chemical energy to electrical energy, discharging of batteries, discharging. Electric energy to sound energy, speaker. Sound energy to electric energy, microphone. Electrical energy to heat energy, electric iron or heater. Heat energy to electrical energy, thermocouple. Mechanical energy to heat energy, mechanical energy to heat energy. Rubbing of hands, rubbing of hands or collision. Heat energy to mechanical energy, heat energy to mechanical energy, that is steam engine. It can be steam engine or petrol engine, even diesel engine. So students, take a view, your conceptual map is ready for the exam.